Hello, my name is Matt Nolf. I'm with P&G Technologies out of Michigan. We're a supplier of propane parts and propane forklift kits. Today we're going to be showing you what comes in a Mitsubishi forklift. This covers the model numbers GC12 and the GC13. It has the Mitsubishi 4G63 and the 4G64 engine. We're going to show you both style kits, the KC, which is a kit complete, which is for a forklift that's on gasoline, so you need your tank brackets all the way to your carburetor, and you'll get everything in between that. And then we have the KP kit, which is the partial, which is for updating an older system. Under the hood, you'll get all the components under there. So we'll go ahead and show you what comes in those kits. Okay, now we have the KC kit up here. That'll come with your tank brackets, your toggle clamps, locating pin, all your hardware for mounting those to the counterweight. You'll get all your hoses, the vacuum hose, your vapor hose, your LP high pressure hose, the water hose for it. You'll get your regulator assembly with all its fittings, the bracket for mounting that. You'll get your clamps for all your hoses, tie straps, pipe compound, the hardware for mounting your regulator bracket. You'll also get the connection to your tank along with your bulkhead and all its fittings. The most crucial part is obviously the carburetor, because that has to match up. Everything else is basically kind of universal for most forklifts. So this one here is designed to where the Solex gasoline carburetor that's on the lift truck now, you split that in half. That has your linkage in it and the governor built in it. And then IMCO makes a special 4-bolt plate, and that will mount to that. And then you'll mount all that together with the existing Solex on there. So that's pretty much the KC kit. Now for the partial kit, obviously you won't get the tank brackets, nor the toggle clamps or locating pins or the hardware. You will not get your connection to the tank or your bulkhead. You'll get everything else under the hood to freshen it up. So that's what comes in that kit there. Okay, that's what comes in the two style kits for the Mitsubishi. Again, this covers the model numbers GC12 and the GC13. Has the Mitsubishi 4G63 and the 4G64 engine. If you're interested in purchasing this kit from us, you can go to our website at pngtechnologies.com, or we could be reached at 734-992-2648. I hope this video helped, and thank you very much, and have a wonderful day.